everyone, this is your 10th lesson in Grade 4 Social Science. Today's chapter is Our Government. Now we are going to see our today's topic is Central Government. India is a large country, hence it needs to be governed in a proper and efficient way. We have the central government and the state government to govern our country. The central government looks after the whole country. The President and the Prime Minister are the heads of the central government. The President. The President is the head of the country. He or she is the first citizen of our country. The President is the supreme commander of the armed forces, the army, the navy, and the air forces. He or she rules the country in case of an emergency. The Prime Minister. The Prime Minister is the head of the central government. The people of the country elect him or her. The Prime Minister looks after all the important affairs of our country and he or she has the maximum powers with him or her. There is also a group of people to help the Prime Minister to run the country. They are called the Cabinet Ministers. State Government. The state government looks after the functioning of the state. The state government is helped by the municipal corporation in cities, municipal committee in towns, and panchayats in villages for the successful governance of a state. The Chief Minister. The state government has to look after the people of the whole state. Therefore, it employs many people to help it perform its functions. Each state government is headed by a chief minister. The people elect the members of the state government. Each state has a governor who is appointed by the president of the country. The state and the central governments look after the health, education, agriculture, irrigation, law and order, forestry, and other matters of the state and the country. Village Panchayat. Let us now understand who fulfills our needs in the villages. Villages also have to be looked after by some people. No single person can look after the entire village. Therefore, there is a group of people to look after the welfare of the villages. This group is called a Panchayat. The Panchayat consists of 5 members called the Panchas. The leaders of the village Panchayat is a Sarpanch, who is chosen by the adult villagers. The Panchayat is the government of the village. Besides providing services to the village and looking after the villagers, there are many other things that a Panchayat does. Municipal Committee. Towns have more people living in them than the villages. Therefore, a bigger group of people is needed to take care of them. The group that takes care of the people living in the towns is called the Municipal Committee. People living in towns elect the members of the Municipal Committee. The head of the Municipal Committee is called the Chairperson. A Municipal Committee is responsible for providing public services in its areas and looking after the welfare of its town. Municipal Corporation. Cities like Delhi, Kolkata, Mumbai, and Chennai are very big. Therefore, they have a bigger group to take care of the people living there. This group is called a municipal corporation. The head of the municipal corporation is called the mayor. The members of the municipal corporations are called councillors. I hope that you understand our today's topic. Now I have planned to give you the practice zone. Refer your concept book in the page number of 128, 129 and 131 in the book and answer the following answers. Practice zone 1. Your first question is, do you think midday meal should be served even in higher classes? Give 3 reasons to support your answer. Your second question is, imagine you're the Prime Minister of your country. State one thing you would like to change in your country. Imagine you're the Prime Minister of your country. State one thing you would like to change in your country. Practice on 2. Your first question is find out the name of the Chief Minister of your state. Your second question is mention any 5 important matters of the state and country that the government looks into. Your third question is make a list of at least 3 problems that you face in your neighborhood. Also provide a solution to each problem. Practice on 3. Fill in the blanks. Your A question is the panchayat consists of dash members called the panchas. Your B question is the group that takes care of the people living in towns is called the dash. Your C question is the group that takes care of the people living in big cities is called a dash. Your D question is the governor is appointed by the dash of the country. Your E question is the group of people who help the prime minister to run the country is called the dash. I hope that you all enjoyed our today's class. I'll see you in my next class. Thank you.